Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into your Google account because Blogger uses that identity to manage blogs and permissions. Once signed in, open Blogger and hit Create New Blog. This is the first actionable step. You'll type a clear title and a short address. Make sure the address is available because Blogger enforces uniqueness. After you pick an address, select a basic template so your blog has structure. This gets you past the initial barrier and into customization quickly. Once the blog shell exists, focus on template and settings because they define reader experience and SEO basics. Choose a template that matches your content style. You can change it later, but pick one with readable fonts and responsive layout. Then set the blog description and visibility. Public means indexable by search engines. Private limits readers. Next, customize the layout, add or remove gadgets, position the header and sidebar, and adjust the basic color scheme so the site reads well on mobile and desktop. Finish by composing and publishing your first post so you can test the flow from authoring to public view. Use a clear title and labels to organize content. Once done, view the live blog and confirm mobile responsiveness. Make sure HTTPS is enabled, and if you add a custom domain, verify DNS settings. If something goes wrong, check one key troubleshooting point. Clear your browser cache and confirm you're signed into the same Google account that owns the blog. Permissions or cached pages cause most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.